Welcome to Rajesh Technologies. Next, we are how to create an object. We already learned in the previous chapter. That means previous video. I explained. So how to create a object of the window using tkinter.tk. Tk is the predefined class and tkinter is the module. Now, how to give the title to that particular window using w is my object for the tk class. W dot title is the predefined function. Using the title function, you can give the title for the window. So this is the first program. You can give the title as first. Otherwise, you can also this is display hello. For example, display hello is the title of the window. So now, so let us right click and see how the window is going to appear. Right click and run hello. Then what happened is, let us elaborate. So it is going to show you, the display hello as the title of your window. Okay. So now I want to change little bit. I want to default. It is going to take some height and width. I want to change the height and width of the window according to the user's purpose. Once again, I will use some function. W is my object for the tk class. That means window object. W is a window object. Let us represent w represents the window object according to me. W dot geometry sorry geometry is the predefined function. So see here, it is automatically show different type of, whenever I tell, it is known as IntelliSense. The PyCharm gives the IntelliSense environment. Whenever we are typing, it is automatically shows set of functions you can use according to that. So geometry is the predefined function. You can give the height and width in within the single quotation. Don't forget to give the single quotation. So many people is sometimes it is going to forget and ask it to get an error. So don't directly write some height and width like 250, okay, cross 350. That means 250 is the height of the window and 350 is the width of the window. So you must write under single quotation, and this is the small x I provided. Please do like this only. You can give any number for 550, 750, any number, and here also you can give any number, but in between there is a small x symbol and it must be written in the single quotation. Now see here, right click and run your hello program. Then what happened, it is going to display 250 and 350 width. See here, if I change it to 550 and this is 450, then right click, automatically it will be saved. You can save the program using save, otherwise save all. You can save all, click on save all, then all the files in your project is automatically saved. Okay, right click and run the program. So then it displays the title as well as how much height and width I want. That is automatically displayed as a height and width. This is the window, this is the GUI program what we developed. Now let us see some more things. We understand how to create an object for the window. We understand how to provide the title of the window, how to give height and width using geometry function, and you can also provide the background color of the window using w.config function. Config is the predefined function. Using config, you can having a option called attribute called background. In the background, you can give, this is the background, you can give any color name. You can search for the color names in the Google, and you can give, for example, I will go for sky blue. For example, I will go for sky blue, and execute the program. Right click and run. So then we will get the background as sky blue. Otherwise, if you want to get a gray background, you can simply type gray as a w.config is a predefined function, background is an attribute, you can give any value gray. Now see, whenever you right click and run the program, so it gives the background as gray color. Okay, like this. So I will go for a light blue, otherwise sky blue. I am going for sky blue. Right click and run. Okay, sky blue is appearing. So but what is the program to display a hello world in this particular window? So there is no control. See here what happened whenever I am running this particular window. In this particular window there is no controls. I want to display hello world. So how I can display? I will display using a label. Label is a control. So label is a control. So we are going to write what is a label. Label is a control. Label is a GUI predefined class in tkinter module. So which provides label provides uneditable text. Label 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 provides uneditable text to be displayed. That means I will write it displays uneditable editable text. Uneditable means we can edit within the program, but who is the end user, he or she will not edit the text. So let us go and understand how to create a label object. And very important thing is the layouts in Python. Whenever we are going to talk about layouts, what is a layout? So I will detailedly explain the layout. So layouts, there are different type of layouts was there. Layout is a design, it is the pattern of design. Okay, that means how I can arrange the controls in the window. So it will tells a proper pattern how it is, which type of sequence the controls was appear in the window. So the layout will tells. Okay, I will explain you the different layouts, but meanwhile we understand till now. I will explain you in the next video.